On May 7th, Iran launched a coordinated attack on 3 of our destroyers in the Strait of Hormuz. Drone swarms from the north, cruise missiles from the coastline, fast attack boats closing from every direction simultaneously. Our Aegis system handled the missiles, our Phalanx handled the drones, and for the fast boats, we didn't send F-35s, we sent AH-64 Apache helicopters. 6 Iranian fast attack boats never reached the hull. Not one American sailor was injured. And the reason we chose a helicopter over a 5th-generation fighter jet is one of the most important engineering decisions of this entire conflict. An F-35C cruises at over 500 knots. An Iranian fast attack boat moves at 50 knots across the surface. The physics of that speed mismatch makes a strike fighter the wrong tool inside a 6-mile shipping corridor. At 500 knots, the F-35 crosses the Aegis engagement zone in under 90 seconds, not enough time to acquire, track, and re-engage a 50-foot boat making evasive turns at speed. The AH-64 Apache solves every one of those engineering problems simultaneously. It cruises at 150 miles per hour, slow enough to pace a fast attack boat, low enough to maintain visual and thermal contact, and agile enough to hold its targeting system on a vessel making aggressive evasive maneuvers for minutes, not seconds. Its M230 chain gun fires 625 rounds per minute. Its AGM-114 Hellfire locks onto the heat signature of a boat engine against cold water with precision no strike fighter can replicate at low altitude in confined coastal waters. And the Apache can loiter over the strait for hours, providing continuous coverage that carrier-launched jets burning fuel on long transits from 500 miles away simply cannot sustain. Iran spent 40 decades engineering a close-range threat corridor specifically designed to exploit the gap between our long-range missile systems and our strike aircraft. On May 7th, the Apache closed that gap. The right physics, the right platform, the right result.